오늘 소개드릴 영상은 BMW 5시리즈 G30 사이드미러 수리를 위한 도어트림 분해 영상입니다. 그럼 보시죠.
There is also a little plug here, a little metal plate. Haven't worked out yet how to pull this back without that catching. It does bend a little bit. Above it and a plug underneath it. Now the thing is with that plug there, it slides. So I'm going to lift it straight up. And there's the plug that we're talking about that slides. So putting it back together, that plug has got a pin in it. You push that pin down to release the plug, slide that back onto the door trim which is here. So when you put the trim back on, everything just pushes.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드려요.